This is in addition to the last video that I made. It was a comment that I should have included, but I forgot about it, so I'll just say it in this separate video. When you're moving these elements, I just need to double check that the image is indeed 1360 by 720. I've found two instances without really trying that that weren't this size. So the best way I think that I've found to do that is to just go into source settings here and then look at the file name at the end. So it should be 1360 by 720. There are some that aren't. If it isn't this size, can you just compile a text document with the name of the location, so in this case Adelaide, and put the dimensions of what it actually is. Pretty simple. Okay, thank you, cheers.